Megan Duster-House from thehomesihavemade.com, and I'm really excited to be here today to share a Cricut Christmas project with you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a really simple Christmas countdown chain. But this isn't any ordinary Christmas countdown chain. Sure, it's lengths of paper hooked into each other to help you count down the 25 days to Christmas. But there's a couple special features about this countdown chain. First, it's reusable. Instead of using staples or glue, these links have an arrow and hook mechanism that allows you to hook them together and unhook them without damaging the paper. This means you can store them flat and pull them out year after year. But the most important thing about this Christmas countdown chain is what's inside. This is my family's favorite holiday tradition because inside each of these 25 links is a special family activity we do to count down and prepare for Christmas. This project, the paper chain with the activities inside, is easy, fun, and you're gonna love how it brings your family together this holiday season.
For this project, you will need at least 8 colors of 8.5 by 11 cardstock paper, 4 sheets of white printable sticker paper, a light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a brayer, and either a Cricut Maker or Cricut Explorer. If you are hoping to use a Cricut Joy for this project, you will be able to cut out the paper chain links. However, because the stickers require the print and cut feature, you will need to either cut those out by hand or use a different machine for the sticker aspect. To start, we're going to upload the included SVG files as part of this class. Clicking the Upload tool within Cricut Design Space, find to where you have the SVGs saved to your computer and click Upload to add them to your Cricut Design Space account. Start with the chain link SVG file and then add the number stickers file. With both designs added to your account, we can get started. Let's start with the chain link. When you load it onto your canvas, it will be pre-sized by 10 inches by 2.5 inches. There's no need to resize it here unless you desire to. However, you will need to attach the cut slit to the chain link shape in order for it to cut it all in one piece. Select both and click the Attach tool in the bottom right-hand corner. You can certainly resize or recolor this link if you desire, but there's really no need to. We're going to be cutting out this link in lots of different colors, but we're going to be able to do that just by feeding different papers into our machine. Let me show you. By clicking the green Make It button, I'm going to send the image to my Cricut machine. First, I'm going to change my mat to 12 by 12 inches because that's what I'm going to be using. Then I'm going to increase project copies to 3. This will perfectly fill up an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and also give us a total of 25 links when using 8 different colors. Click Continue to send it to your Cricut machine and choose the material you're going to be using, in this case, medium cardstock. Now we're going to cut those 3 chain link shapes out of each of our colors of cardstock. Start by putting your first piece of cardstock onto your mat and load the mat into the machine. Press the flashing Go or Cricut button when ready and let the machine cut out the 3 chain link shapes. When the machine is done cutting, unload the mat from the Cricut machine and remove the excess paper from around the chain link shapes. Remove the cuts from your mat, load the next piece of paper and start again. Because we are cutting the exact same 3 chain links from every single sheet of paper, there's no need to recolor the design itself within Cricut Design Space. You can leave those 3 links on your cutting mat within Cricut Design Space and just feed mat after mat through your machine until all your chain links are cut. It's time to make the coordinating stickers for each chain link. Add the sticker file to your canvas. Upon upload, you'll see that the entire file is grouped together. Click Ungroup to isolate each individual sticker. I intentionally provided these number sticker files as SVG files instead of PNGs, and here's why. I have pre-color coordinated all these sticker files, as you'll see when we start to assemble them. But if you wanted to change either the number or the background at any time to suit your style or your Christmas colors, you can do that by selecting each layer and using the color change tool. Once you have your colors exactly as you want them though, we are going to want to flatten them into printable images. To do that, select both the background and the number together by dragging and dropping, and clicking the Flatten tool in the bottom right-hand toolbar. You'll notice that the grid background changes to a solid white background, and it's indicated as Print and Cut in the right-hand Layers panel. This means that these are going to be printed as stickers instead of cut out of a material such as paper or vinyl. I highly recommend you flatten each sticker image individually. Here's why. You can certainly select all 25 and flatten them all together, but it will create an image that is too big for the print and cut surface area. Yes, you can size these down if you prefer, but I size these stickers to perfectly match the chain link shape. As such, I highly recommend just moving sticker by sticker and flattening each one at a time. In the right-hand Layers panel, you'll see that they are now all print and cut images, so when you send them to your Cricut machine, they will load onto white paper for printing. Click Continue to send them both to your printer first, and then to your Cricut machine. This time I'm going to choose printable sticker paper for my cutting material. Here is how my printable white sticker paper comes off the printer with my numbers printed out. You'll see the black registration marks that'll help the Cricut machine cut out each circle sticker. Load the printed page onto your Cricut mat in the upper left-hand corner of the grid. Make sure it's nice and smooth before loading into your Cricut machine. The machine will first read the registration marks before cutting out the circle shapes. Unload the mat from your machine and then use a weeding tool to pull away the excess sticker paper from around your numbered stickers. Repeat with the second page of sticker shapes. Now your stickers are ready to go with your chain links. You'll remember from the intro that these chain links are more than just a countdown chain. If desired, inside each one you can put a special activity, Bible verse, joke, or something else that is meaningful for your family. I have a really quick and easy way to do this. Also included in your class materials is a Countdown to Christmas PDF. Notice that these lines color coordinate with the chain links and the number stickers we've already cut. But what's so handy is this PDF includes editable text boxes, so you can add in whatever you desire for inside your chain links. We like to use Christmas activities for each day, but you can include anything that makes sense for your family, including jokes, Bible verses, anything that holds the meaning of the season for you. Simply by clicking into the PDF document, you can type in anything you want for the inside of these chain links. But this file is a PDF file, which is not friendly to Cricut Design Space, but I have a trick I'm really excited to show you. In Google, type in PDF Candy and open up the PDF Candy website. This program is incredibly powerful and free. Type in PNG to the search bar to find the PDF to PNG tool. Then upload the file you just created. Choose high quality because we're going to upload this PNG into Cricut Design Space, and then click Convert. It's going to convert that PDF file into PNG images that you can download. Here's my 2 pages with the text inserted on the link. I'm going to download these each to my computer. Now I have these 2 pages of text in PNG format and ready to upload into Cricut Design Space. Find those downloads on your computer and insert them as PNG files. However, you will need to clean these up before using them in Cricut Design Space. First, click on the white background to remove it. Then use the erase tool to get rid of that helpful text along the top. Press the green button to continue and save it as a print then cut image. Repeat with your second page. This time, however, you will only need to take out that white background. With both pages uploaded into your Cricut Design Space account, all you need to do is add them to your canvas. When you load the images onto your canvas, you'll notice right away that they are too big to be cut from your Cricut machine using the Print and Cut feature. This is a quick fix. Select each image and resize it to 6.8 inches, the widest you can cut doing the Print and Cut feature within Cricut Design Space. Now, both images can be cut from more sticker paper for quick and easy stickers. Here is my white sticker paper with the text strips printed onto it. Just like our stickers, I'm going to load it onto my Cricut mat, load it into my Cricut machine, and let it do all the cutting for me. Once unloaded, peel away that excess sticker paper to reveal your text strips ready to go. Repeat with the second set of strips. Within minutes, you have ready to stick activity stickers ready to go with your number stickers. I want to point out that I also provide these text strips in SVG format as well. This is if you want to not use the same color coding that I use with both the printable file and the SVG files. You'll notice right away that the stickers in the coordinating files all color code, and this is going to come in handy as we move toward the assembly of this project. My 1 is the same color as my 1 strip, my 2 circle is the same color as my 2 strip. However, maybe you don't want to use these rainbow colors for a Christmas project and you might want to change them. By providing this SVG file, you can change these strips to any color that you want. Just make sure that you also change the stickers to match the same color coding. The PDF file with the editable text boxes really is the quickest and easiest way to add text to your strips. But here in Cricut Design Space, you can do the same thing using the text tool. Type in whatever activity or joke or Bible verse you want included on your sticker strips. Resize it to fit onto the sticker labels, and change the font to Britannic Bold, which is a free font available and matches the numbers. Change it to white so it's a little bit easier to read. And then duplicate and edit the text for all your stickers. As needed, use the Align tools to make sure everything looks the same, aligning both vertically and horizontally. And then just like when we made the stickers, you're going to need to select the strip, the number, and the text box all together and flatten into a printable image. When you send these stickers to your machine, just like the PDF format, they will be printed and able to be cut with your machine. Whether you use the PDF trick that I taught you or the SVG upload, you should now have all of your materials ready for assembly. Assembling your chain link couldn't be any easier. All you have to do is match the colors. My dark red sticker is going to go on the center of my dark red chain link, and then my number 1 is going to go on the chain link with the arrow pointing forward. I'm going to move on down my list of stickers. Red sticker goes on the red chain link, arrow up, sticker pointing up. Now hot pink. Sticker goes on the center, flip the link over, arrow facing up, add the hot pink 3 sticker. As you work, the color coding really comes in handy, and make sure that you don't accidentally put the wrong number with the wrong activity. This can take a little bit of time, but it's a great project to get kids or the rest of the family involved in. Now, with all your chain links assembled and ready to go, all we have to do is link them all together. Start with your number 1. That arrow slides right into the open slit on the other end of the chain. Next, you're going to slide the number 2 link into the number 1 link and attach it. Pay attention so that your numbers are always facing up and down in the correct direction. Keep adding links and ensuring your numbers are always pointing the correct way. With all 25 links linked together, you now have a family chain ready to go. And starting on the 1st of December, you can unlink the number 1 chain and do the activity. On the 2nd day of December, you can unlink the number 2 chain and do the number 2 activity. My favorite thing is because these aren't stapled or glued together, they use the arrow mechanism. You can store them flat and use them year after year for tons of family fun that your kids will look forward to over and over.